Welcome to Cert Empire. Look, if you're looking to break into the tech industry right now, you have absolutely heard the buzz around cybersecurity. It's everywhere. So today, we're bringing you a highly actionable, no-nonsense breakdown of one of the most talked about entry points on the market, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. We're going to look at the actual costs, the real career outcomes, and exactly what it takes for you to succeed. Because honestly, this is the under $300 question, isn't it? Everywhere you look online, there is just massive hype around these entry-level tech certifications. They promise you a fast track to a six-figure salary with absolutely zero prior experience. But here at Cert Empire, you know we don't do hype. We do facts. We need a realistic career strategy. So can you actually launch a career for less than the cost of a new gaming console? Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The Google Certificate. 2. Cost and time investment. 3. Curriculum and tools. 4. Real jobs and salaries. 5. Honest limitations. And finally, 6. Your exact next steps. Starting off with Section 1, the Google Cybersecurity Certificate. What is it, and who is it actually for? So, this is an 8-course credential hosted on Coursera, and it's built directly by active Google security practitioners. And when they say it's for complete beginners, they literally mean it in the truest sense of the word. We're talking about someone with absolutely zero prerequisites, no IT background, no computer science degree, nothing. If you're a career changer, maybe you're working in retail, hospitality, or some completely unrelated field, this is designed to be your accessible starting line. It starts with the absolute foundational concepts and just builds you up from there.
Moving to Section 2, cost and time investment. What will it actually take to get this done?
Well, because this program is entirely self-paced, your final cost depends directly on your study speed. But for the vast majority of people, this right here is the magic number, $294. This is your total cost if you follow the recommended pace of studying about 7 to 10 hours per week, which usually takes around 6 months to finish up. At $49 a month after your free trial, you land right at nearly $300. And this brilliantly illustrates how the pricing model actually rewards your hard work and dedication. If you can treat this like an intensive part-time job and knock the whole thing out in just 3 months, your total cost drops to a crazy $147. Conversely, if you kind of take your time and stretch it out to 9 months, you're looking at $441. So the power is entirely in your hands. But keep in mind, we are talking about roughly 170 hours of guided instruction and hands-on labs here, so plan accordingly. Section 3, Curriculum and Tool Exposure. Let's look at the tech stack you'll master. Now, theoretical knowledge is nice, but practical tool exposure is where the real value lies. Here are the 8 sequential courses that are going to build that foundation for you. Just notice how logically this flows. You start with absolute foundations, learning things like the CIA triad and threat types, and then you move into managing risks and network security. By course 4, you're already getting your hands dirty with Linux and SQL. You'll assess vulnerabilities, move into active detection and response, and even learn some Python automation. Finally, Course 8 is all about putting it to work, resume building and interview prep. It really is an incredibly well-rounded journey from zero to job ready. And I want you to pay very close attention to these tools. Splunk and Google Chronicle for security analytics, Suricata for intrusion detection, Wireshark for network analysis, plus, of course, Linux, Python, and SQL. I literally cannot stress this enough. These are the exact tools entry-level Security Operations Center, or SOC Analysts, use on a daily basis. Having these specific tools right there on your resume makes you instantly relevant to the hiring managers reading your application.
All right, Section 4, real jobs and salaries. Let's talk about the hype versus the reality.
So we know the tools and we know the cost, but what about the paycheck? Now, what's really interesting about this is if you look at the marketing for this certificate, you'll see this massive number plastered everywhere, $115,000 median salary. It's a fantastic hook, right? And it definitely gets people to click that enroll button. But as your trusted guides here at Cert Empire, we need to give you a quick dose of ground reality. Here's the truth. That at $115,000 figure is accurate for the broader cybersecurity analyst field, sure, but that includes experienced professionals who have been in the trenches for years. If you're entering your very first security role directly from this certificate, your realistic expectation should be somewhere between $55,000 and $85,000 a year. Now, obviously, in high-cost tech hubs like San Francisco or New York, you might push closer to 6 figures right out of the gate. But setting your baseline expectations correctly is absolutely crucial so you don't get discouraged during your job hunt. However, do not let that starting salary deter you for a second, because you really have to look at the long game here.
The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a massive 29% employment growth for information security analysts between 2024 and 2034. That is explosive growth, folks. It proves that despite starting at a slightly lower tier, getting your foot in the door of this field right now is an incredible, highly lucrative long-term bet.
Which brings us to Section 5, Honest Limitations and Alternatives. Basically, the catch. So, great curriculum, explosive industry growth, sounds totally perfect, right? Well, here is the honest truth about what this certificate will absolutely not do for you. Listen closely to this crucial reality check. The certificate alone will not land you a job. Why? Because the assessments in this Google program are open book and unproctored. It's a fantastic learning experience for sure, but to a hiring manager, the certificate just proves completion, not necessarily mastery. You can't just attach a PDF of your certificate to an application and expect the job offers to start rolling in. You must build a portfolio to prove your actual demonstrated capability. And this naturally brings up the biggest comparison in the industry, the Google certificate versus CompTIA Security Plus. Google is open book, highly practical, heavily focused on tools, and really cheap. Security Plus, on the other hand, is a rigorous, strictly proctored exam. It costs over $400 just to take the test, but it is the strict industry standard and is often legally required for things like U.S. government and defense contractor jobs. Let's wrap it up with Section 6, your exact next steps, the master plan. So, the crucial point is, you shouldn't view this as Google versus CompTIA. They're actually a team. The Google certificate is the perfect stepping stone to passing Security Plus. So here is your 4-step master plan for the exact moment you finish that 8th Google course. Step 1, sit for your CompTIA Security Plus exam within 4 to 8 weeks while all that knowledge is super fresh. And get this, the Google program actually gives you a 30% discount code for the exam. Step 2, build a home lab portfolio. Use free tools like TryHackMe, document your investigations, and put them on GitHub. Employers absolutely love this. Step 3, start applying for jobs before you even finish the certificate. Don't wait until you feel 100% ready, because nobody ever does. And Step 4, utilize the Google Employer Consortium. That's over 150 companies specifically looking for graduates of this exact program. And you know, once you land that entry-level SOC Analyst job, your journey is really just beginning. To push toward those senior-level positions, you're going to want to target some advanced certifications. You could go for CompTIA CISA Plus to deepen your defense skills, Pentest Plus if you want to be an ethical hacker in offensive security, or grab an AZ500 or AWS certification to master cloud security. The path upward from here is incredibly clear. So I'm going to leave you with this final question. Are you ready to build your portfolio and actually launch your cybersecurity career? The Google Cybersecurity Certificate is arguably the highest value entry point available today for complete beginners, provided you pair it with hard work, a solid portfolio, and your CompTIA Security Plus. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want more ultimate certification guides, exam prep, and technology career roadmaps, make sure you hit subscribe to Cert Empire right now. We're here to help you make informed decisions and accelerate your tech career. Thanks for learning with us, and I'll see you in the next explainer.